Look at this thing, man. This is gonna be so much fun. Gary from Tapland. These are my local lawn supply equipment place I use to get my weed whackers and things from. And hopefully someday I'll be able to afford one of these. In the meantime, I'll just clean it. Matt said it was at a cemetery?
Cemetery, yes sir.
I bet it's gonna clean up real nice.
I believe so. You guys can do your magic on it.
This thing is gonna be nice. Will you leave the keys for me so I promise I won't take it out in any joyrides or anything.
We know where you are.
This is the smallest and dirtiest project we've had in a while. I bought us some enjoying fun water guns, bro. I got one in gray and one in blue. Dude, you ain't kidding, bro. We could use this to clean the lawnmower. Hang on, I gotta read the manual. Let's see, I like short, concise manuals. This is perfect. Install the silencer. Remove the cover and add water. In we go. Installation of cartridge. Dude, it's kind of got a Picatinny rail. Oh my God. Oh, it shot the cartridge right out.
What's going on? What the heck, Bob?
Does this drain out? Why can't the foam cannon world figure this out? Whoa! So we have all these leaves in our parking lot that need to go. They're loaded with nips, bro. Look at all these. What is this all about? Berry lemon, bro. Berry lemon. Berry lemon. We have a single user here. I'm wondering if we drop the plate down real low, can we blow all this into the woods a little bit? There's probably 1,000 nips out here, dude. How do we engage the blades? Well, at least we got it dirtier. Now we can pull it back in and say we found it in the barn, you know. So we found this awesome zero-turn lawnmower in a barn. Hasn't been touched for 30 years. As you can see, it's covered in all kinds of leaves and stuff like that. Today we're going to restore this vacuum. Wait, no. I'm gonna be traveling to Florida next week on the 26th. Come check us out. Hang out with me down at the Wildwood Truck Show. I'd love to meet you guys. I'm gonna be a Florida man. Let's get it clean. Whoa! Oh, that's mist. This is my impersonation of how everyone here lets my hose reels go back in. Perfect. Whenever I come in here and I see that this thing is a foot shorter than it used to be, I know what happened. Oh, I missed a spot. This thing's a lot cleaner than it was, but it's not as clean as it needs to be. You can see like where we didn't clean very well. Now that it's dry, still have some of this film right here. This stuff in here, I'm not really feeling it. I gotta get that better. And then there's this weird, I mean, I guess it would make sense that there's like grass embedded in here, but you can see it. How do we get this stuff off, Tyler?
A brush.
Yeah, maybe you're right. Yeah, this is the stuff here. It's like ancient cemetery grass. But in general, it looks pretty nice. We got a good amount of the junk out of the way. So let's see what we can do on these tires first. Bro, is this gonna get it? I mean, I'm not here to waste time, bro. I wanna find out what works and get on with it. It's either this or it's like turbo nozzle would definitely do the trick. Little turbo nozzle or big turbo nozzle. This one's a size 4 orifice, so this one will run at full pressure on our machine. This one's a size 8, so this won't run at full pressure. This will drop the pressure in half. Let's try both. Always start your turbo nozzle straight down. Let's lift this thing up, bro. We're all about safety, bro. That is gunked up. Super easy. Let's clean this deck underneath first. Dude, they're working a little bit. Dude, they are doing it. What if we filled them with soap? They gave you the world's tiniest hole to put this into. That's the only problem. Rinse time. Slight bits of cleanness, you see it? That was a lot of fun. Look at the junk we knocked off onto the floor right there, man. How about that? Not bad at all, bro. I think the toy guns did more, dude. Let's see if we can get anything done on the upper half. Whoa! Look at the top of the Hurricane there. We're knocking stuff all over it, man. We just got to hit inside those treads, man. Get all that old grass out of there. We'll do it on this one too. You can see it, right? It's just caked in there, man. And on here, like the insides of the wheel wells, you can see where we power washed it real good and where we couldn't reach before, but we'll get it all now. Thank goodness for turbo nozzles, man, because the brushing wasn't doing it at all. Turbo nozzles are like the power washing equivalent of sandblasting, and that's just what it needed to get it done. Look at that. All of it. Nice to be able to switch between those two modes. Did we just finish this thing, man? Certainly doesn't seem like there's anything else. Let's put the wheels back on and then we'll set it down and see what's left in the morning. I think we cleaned the heck out of this thing, dude. Like, this thing looked like it was 30 years old. I'm kind of surprised. I mean, even like, look at these chains. Look at how perfect they are. Lawnmower detailing, man. Maybe that's where I'll end up in life. Like Forrest Gump was like using the lawnmowers for free, and I'll just clean the lawnmowers for free. I'm really digging this lawnmower detailing, man. This is so easy. I mean, now I guess I understand why landscapers use heavy duty from us, right? Like, it definitely works. It looks dry. Yeah, it's pretty flat, man. See it? So I wonder if we can fix that with snake oil, but in a different way. Hey, should I let snake oil dwell for a little while before I rinse it off the surface?
Giving it some time on the surface helps it break down the grime more effectively.
The snake oil doesn't break down grime. It's a sealant.
Oh, you're right. My mistake. Letting it sit for a minute or so can help the SiO2 bond more effectively to the surface. Just don't let it dry out.
1 minute of dwell time and don't let it dry. We're just misting protection upon it. I feel like these handles are still a little bit dirty. I mean, I'm now curious to see what happens if we let it dry, dude. I can't help myself. ChatGPT said not to, but it was wrong about everything on the way to that. So like, let's use it like a spray detailer. We'll get a rag out here. Detailing a lawnmower is really low stress. This is something about it, like I'm not feeling stressed at all. Like, not even a little bit. I mean, this is the same as letting it dry, right? We're just spreading it around all over the place and it's just drying. at that. See how the deck plate looks. When you rinse it with the power washer, it seems to do better.